Okay, who is hungry? Yes, Ashley, Shakshuka and cheese toasty. Got the lineup, so onions on first, saute with some peppers, add a little bit of garlic, why not, saute it up. Salt and pepper of course, chuck it in, and I like to add some paprika, cumin of course, and a nice bit of chili powder. Tomatoes go in and then we reduce it down over some time. Again, a little bit of melted butter on some toast, a bit of mustard for some heat, and my cheese of choice. Flip them over, chuck them in the air fryer. Not much space in there, but you can do what you can. 4 minutes at 190. Make some space for those eggs, fill them up as much as you can, and then nice toasted. Garnish with some spring onions, a bit of parsley, and some coriander. Make it look good. Oh, that's a nice crunch. Serve and enjoy. Super simple shakshuka with cheesy toast. Nice and easy. Lots of good nutrients. Very tasty. And enjoy.